Hi, I'm Aaron again with Brower Mechanical. We're the Energy Solutions Company, and I want to take this time to talk to you a little bit about solar electric. We appreciate the opportunity of allowing us to come out to your home and discuss this great opportunity for you guys. So let's get right into it. What is solar energy? Well, solar energy is received from the sun in the form of solar radiation, which makes the production of solar electric possible. Solar electricity relies upon devices as solar panels in order to provide a source of clean, renewable energy. So when we think about solar, it's really versatile as far as the applications we can actually install it in. You can put them on your roof, you can put them on the ground. Heck, there's a lot of people that are kind of in the patio market that are erecting patios just to have a place to put their solar panels. And carports and awnings and things like that. So one thing that's great about solar, it's very versatile. So when we come out to your home, we'll have some options on where we could actually install this. So how much solar is actually right for you? So we specialize in all kinds of different systems, from a deluxe system to even a smaller starter system for people that want to go green, maybe just want to kind of control their investment initially and just want to start off on a smaller scale. So whatever it is that you call for, we'll be able to handle it. So how much solar is right for you? Well, in order to understand that, we need to understand your energy usage. So one thing that if you can do for us is if you can gather 12 months of your utility history, just so we can kind of dissect them and understand your life pattern. So that'll give us a good idea of how big or how small to make your solar electric system. But before we do that, we want to look at ways where we can reduce your energy usage. And the reason why is because that's always the starting space. How do we understand how much solar we want to put in your home or install in your home if we don't understand your energy habits? And let's look at ways where we can reduce that footprint in your home. You always want to start there, because if you have a system that you size as far as solar goes today and you make some of those energy improvements, well, now you might have a solar system that might be just a little bit too large for your home. So we want to start with reducing your energy usage and then looking at investing in what we call renewable energy, which is solar. And then once you do that, just neutralizing that, making sure that you continue to go green, doing those things to keep your home very efficient. So why energy efficiency before solar? I get that question all the time. You know, why should I do that before I invest in solar? Well, here's the reason why. The biggest thing and the most exciting thing is it's the biggest bang for your dollar. So what that means to you is less usage. Well, what does that equal? That means smaller utility bills. Smaller utility bills means smaller solar system. So you don't need a deluxe system or a huge $50,000 system. You can actually get by with lowering that utility usage and putting in the right size system for you, okay? So the reason why it's so important is when we look at energy usage, it's very cheap to do. It's very easy to do, and typically it's less destructive to do than any other measure of energy efficiency upgrades in your home. So what does it mean? Less usage, smaller solar system, which means lower cost to you. Examples of this is there's no cost measures. We can do things in your home, or you can do things in your home that are very easy to do, like using a setback thermostat that you probably already have, or controlling how long you take showers, or controlling the temperature on your water heater. Little things like that all conserves energy, and it all makes a big difference. Low cost measures, lighting. Lighting is a great opportunity for you guys. If you have the old lighting in your home and you haven't invested in a CFL lighting, well, just by replacing 60% of your lighting in your home, what that does to your solar system, that's like taking away 2 panels worth of solar electric in your home. So that's a great way to kind of do what we were talking about, bigger bang for your dollar. And then Energy Star appliances and things like that. Energy Star appliances are a great way to invest. So maybe that old refrigerator or old washing machine and things like that. So great things that you can do to lower the cost and lower your utility usage. Okay? There's a lot of programs out right now that can really reduce the cost of that of your solar electric system. There's what we call a CSI program, or the utility rebates. If you're PG&E or if you're SMUD or Roseville Electric, they're going to give you money for investing into the green movement. So that's a great way to save some money. And then the big buzz for the last year and a half is federal tax credits, or other kind of known as the stimulus package. So 30% tax credits on qualified systems. So that's a great way where we can save up to 45% of your initial investment by kind of taking advantage of these programs that are out there. In fact, there's a lot of programs out there that you might be able to research as well. So This is what solar electric is all about. This is what Brower Mechanical is all about. Not just throwing all those those eggs in one basket, but understanding your home in general and giving you the biggest bang for your dollar. We appreciate the opportunity allowing us to come out, and we thank you for doing your part and going green. Again, this is Aaron Crawford with Brower Mechanical.